Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to implement 3CX two-factor authentication on a user in the admin console. To begin, log in to 3CX. Click on the admin icon on the lower left side of the screen. Navigate to the Users tab. Click on the 2FA button to enable two-factor authentication on every user. A confirmation message will pop up that informs you that the users will be prompted to add 2FA on their next login. Click on OK to confirm this. To enable two-factor authentication on a specific user, click on the user you want using 2FA. Check the box on the lower left called Enable 2FA, then click on the Save button. Log out of 3CX and log back in. You'll get a notification that states that your administrator has enforced two-factor authentication on your account and that you should download an Authenticator app to get into your account. Download an Authenticator app like Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator, or Duo Mobile. Scan the QR code from an Authenticator app. Enter the security code you received from the app and it will log you into the 3CX web client. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication for 3CX users. Check back for more useful content from Voxtelesys as we're posting videos on a regular basis.